Good day, boys and girls. So, have you ever had something exciting happen to you or got some great news and you just wanted to share it with everybody? What you did then? I'm sure you would have gone and told your parents, told your best friends, anybody you knew you would have shared this news with. So today, our song is talking about a great story, a great true story that we want to encourage you to go and tell everybody, right? So it's called Go Tell It on the Mountain. And this is how it goes. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While the shepherds sat there watching their flocks of sheep at night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus